In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for project management. If you're looking to streamline your project management tasks and harness the power of a highly customizable platform, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and see how you can set things up with Airtable. First, let's start by navigating to the Airtable website. You can simply open your browser and go to Airtable's official site. You'll notice that Airtable is known as a platform for building next-generation apps, but for our purpose we'll focus on project management. This diverse utility is part of what makes Airtable so special. It's remarkably easy to navigate, and its interface is very intuitive. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will give you access to the dashboard where all the action happens. If you don't have an account already, there is an option to sign up, which is a straightforward process involving just a few steps. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable home screen. This is where you can access all of your bases, which are essentially your workspaces. Each base can be tailored to fit the specific needs of your projects. It's a wonderful feature because whether you're managing a big team or just tracking personal progress, you can customize it to suit your situation. Now, to really get the ball rolling, look for the option that says Templates and Apps, typically located in the main menu on the side. Airtable is packed with awesome templates that can save you tons of time and effort, especially when setting up new projects. In the Templates section, you'll find the category Project Management. This is exactly what we need. Click on Project Management to explore the selection of ready-made templates specifically designed to help manage projects effectively. These templates come pre-built with tables, fields, and views that are tailored for project tracking, task management, and team collaboration. So in just a few clicks, you have transformed Airtable into a powerful project management tool. It's as simple as opening a template, tweaking it to match your requirements, and inviting team members to collaborate. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've set up a robust project management system capable of handling multiple aspects like timelines, task assignments, and team workflows. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Embracing tools like Airtable could really revitalize how you approach project management by providing a bespoke, scalable solution. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.